All right. Got some goodies I've been waiting on from Tito Rick. I got a couple of these Chainsaw Man booster boxes from Big Face Studio. Picked these up again from Tito Rick, one of my good buddies, local from San Diego. He and our other friend Nick was pretty much the ones that got me into collecting these cards, or just like anime cards in general. So I have them to blame for spending an excess amount of money on this new collectible hobby. So I opened one of these with Dragon, and I obviously wanted to open one myself, so it was able to get a couple. I think I actually have 4 more on the way from somewhere else, so that will be fun. Been learning a lot about these with the mass majority of people opening these on like Pop Shop and Drip, but apparently these are already out of print. Sounds like they're very popular. There is a serial hit that's 1 of 100, and from what people are saying, it's 1 per case. So that's basically saying that there's only 100 cases of these out there. And what the different hits range from, like, obviously R's, SSRs, SPs, SSPs, CPs, all the Ps. So let's get into one. Maybe we'll get a big hit. An SSP will be nice, but who knows? Maybe the numbered card, which looks really nice. We'll do both boxes in this video because I can't wait. All right, got a top loader. Not top loader. Special promo pack for the box. I think those have special exclusive cards to those as well. I've seen the numbered card get pulled out of this, and just by the feel of this one, it's not that. There's also quad folds in this series too, so that's fun. All right, I bust out the playmat just for the occasion. All right, first pack. Let's see what we get. It's also 3 cards per pack, pretty thick. So here, you know, the R, some Taiyaki or something. Ooh, SSR with the Anya hit. A little random crossover, which is always fun, which is the card I want. And an SSP. Wow. Nice. Now I have 2 SSPs from these. Okay. And of course Makima. Not mad. Honestly, I just want Makima and power cards, to be honest. Let's sleeve it, because I feel like no one thinks I sleeve my cards. Sleeve it. Ooh, she's thick. Sweet. Let's set it up too. Let's set you up. I got these from Daiso. The Japanese, like, pretty much $1.50 store. I think these are meant for, like, to hold a cell phone, but I'll do that there for now. With an SSR, an R, and yeah, let's see what else we got. Another like random crossover. So I got My Neighbor Totoro with Naked Power and her kitty cat. Where are you, R? R's go there. This SSR. The R looks pretty red. And these are like pretty thick cards too, pretty heavy stock. And then the boring SRs. No one really likes the SRs. Just put you there. They're basically scene cards with like some fun like holographic vibes to them. The back. Yeah, the special pack. Neat. All right. Pack. R. Denjin Power. SSR. You know. SR. very shiny cards. Again, the SR. Dude's getting obliterated. Dude just did his cone. This is a fun one. People really like this. Is like the cosplay card. So we got some Bleach vibes. We got some Mario vibes. We got some Demon Slayer vibes with this costume. People say this is like Jujutsu Kaisen. You know, we got some more Demon Slayer back here. Fun. Ooh, and the CP. Nice. I don't know who this character is, or even honestly her. SR. Yeah, the SRs are not as fun as the Rs, even though they're somewhat supposed to be a higher rarity. Alright, got R. Cool. Another CP, ladies. Classic scene where he just gets kicked in the gonads. Three more packs. Oh, Denji and Pochita. R. CP. This other fun scene where just Power's just naked, feeding her cat. Leash, her little dogs. ZRs. Okay, there's ZRs in here. Alright, last pack. This is kind of thick, but I can't expect anything bigger than the SP that we already got. More leash action, okay. Peanut butter and jelly card. Ooh, nice CR. Wakama. This one, I think they're in the hotel. Okay. You can feel what this card is, they're pretty cool. It's like a layered card. There's a back. You can see there's like a few layers on here to make up this like diorama almost. The middle is like a clear acrylic with a painted background. A little manga border on out here. Pretty rad. It's a Totoro there. Cool. Alright. Let's shall we move on to the next box? Right on top. Alright. I'm afraid to feel the box topper because if it's thick, which it is not, it's not the big hit, and I felt it. So it's gonna be another one of these cards, one of these like triple layered cards. Boxes are super nice too. Oops, shaky cam. Boxes are super nice. Gotta be 18 years old to open these. There's a PVC card. That's the numbered hit that we're talking about. Which unfortunately, it's not happening, but whatever. Got more coming. Alright, next pack. I think there's like a total of 134 different cards in this set. I'm not mad at any of them. First dupe. Wait, where's go? There, sure. Let's bubble you off here. First dupe. Another dupe. A lot of dupes. Got that one already. Ooh, new CP at least. Nice. I'm gonna go over different hits at the end. Let's try to get through these. Definitely be another video. Nice CP. Got an ad kick. CP already. This one again. And obviously this will happen when you get multiple boxes. You're gonna get dupes. Gym time. Oh, that's a fun ZR. New one, right? Yeah, new one. Nice. New SR. Oh, this one feels thick. There's something weird feeling here. Oh, it's just cards not stacked properly. I tricked myself. Alright, little karaoke action. Come on. Do we have this one already? No, different ZR. Alright, come on, ZR. New R. First Think Makima Suite. I don't know her yet. Nice power. Again, I'm looking for Makima power cards. Little lunch, a little dinner gathering. We all know what happens after this. Again, thinking this was going to be a cool hit. Probably not. At least it's a new card. And another new card. Nice. And this guy. This demon. Alright. Last pack. Alright. This is only 2 layers. Like a sketch card. Almost. Reset and let's get our hits together. Okay, nicely sorted now. So let's go over our hits. The cool thing is, like, dupes weren't that crazy as I went through everything. SRs no one really cares about, but they're nice to have. They're gonna go in the binder anyways. Thankfully they're numbered too, so I'll know where to put them or what I need. Got some dupes in there, only go to ours. All different fun, like different types of artwork. And then some dupes here. Again, not too many, which is nice. SSRs, I don't think I have any, or have one dupe. Definitely happy I got this one. Dupes here. Up to, I guess, CPs are next. No dupes at all, which is great. To ZRs. Thankfully no dupes. Special toppers. I hope these fit in the binder. And our big hit. Our big hit that we did not expect, but it's always nice at the SSB Makima. Super stoked. Again, these came from Tito Rick. Shout out to him. I'll leave his info down below. He, I think, streams twice a week on Drip, so you can catch him there. because I stopped by his house today. He has got some pretty good inventory to check out. So give him a shout out. Hopefully you see in that chat. But we know we can't because I'm not allowed in there. But yeah, thanks again, guys. Bye.